What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back for another video. Today we got the 1/4 scale SkyRC SR5 dirt bike on bench. This thing should be pretty awesome. We're going to see how it looks, how it performs. I have a LiPo 3S battery to run it on. It also comes with a 6-cell nickel metal battery. It has a brushless motor integrated into the rear wheel as a gyro, so the thing stays upright, stays stabilized. So let's get into it and check it out and see what we think. It's got the super stabilizing electronic system. So this is the Super Rider SR5 1/4 scale RC dirt bike. So obviously it has the gyro in the rear wheel. It's got a brushless 60 amp ESC. Will run on a 6 to 8 cell nickel metal battery and a 2 to 3S LiPo. Has a 3200 kV brushless motor, a real chain drive, which is pretty awesome. Dual filled oil front shock, an anodized chassis, yada yada, all the standard stuff. Let's see what we got here. It looks like he's cradling what appears to be the battery. There's your 6-cell nickel metal battery that it comes with. XT60 connector. Won't support the highest of current draw, but I don't imagine you should need it with this bike. So it's a FlySky radio. It's a fairly cheap model from what I've seen. Has your standard steering trim, throttle trim, steering direction, throttle reverse, steer reverse, etc. Standard radio. I might change this out. We'll see. Let's get our nickel metal charger out. So here's your nickel metal charger that it comes with. We do have the LiPo, so we'll see how it runs on a 3S LiPo. Of course, the bike stand itself comes with the stand. Also has the stabilizer bars. Basically what these are is they screw into or clip into each side of the bike. And even though it has a gyro to keep it upright, if you stop moving, the bike will eventually tip. So these will allow it to stay upright enough so it'll grab traction once you hit the throttle and it will never tip over. So these are pretty cool. So here's the bar that screws in on each side. The stabilizers that I just mentioned will clip into each one of these ports here. Keep the bike upright. Looks like it comes with your standard bind plug, your standard Allen wrench, another Allen wrench, a couple of anodized pieces, probably clips for your shocks to adjust those if you want to adjust the preload. Your standard no-name batteries. We'll throw some Energizers or Duracells or whatnot in the radio, but it's good they come with them anyway. And then the bike itself. So let's take a look at this. This thing is pretty good size. It is a real chain drive. So let's charge up the nickel metal battery and also charge up the 3S LiPo, and let's see how it performs. All right, boys and girls, it's the next day. We're about ready to take our bike on its maiden voyage. So you can see I got the stabilizers on now. We're gonna run it on the nickel metal battery first, and if there's time, we'll run it on the 3S LiPo afterwards, but I figured we would see what the performance is like out of the box with the stock battery. So let's get that battery in and get her fired up. All right, boys and girls, we got the bike on. You can hear that gyro spinning. Everything is on. Let's see how it goes. She cooks along pretty good, fairly stable. Turning's not too bad. There are 4 settings on this gyro. I'm not sure what the default setting is. Carving through the yard. Bike is on now. 3 beeps, that's 3S. I also have the temp gun here. We're gonna keep an eye on how hot the motor gets, but it's supposed to be 3S capable. So let's see how it goes. Definitely punchier. Oh yeah, substantially faster. Let's get a flyby. Oh yeah, she's kicking up grass good now. Oh yeah, she wheelies. That is a lot more fun on 3S. All right, let's bring her back up the hill here. Hit it with the temp gun. Oh, that's not bad at all. It's saying the motor is sitting at 119 is the highest I've seen. It's a fairly warm day today. She throws up the grass pretty easy. Whoopsies. There goes his head. All right, guys, I think we'll cut it there for today. Just a quick unboxing, first run, first impressions. Nickel metal battery is adequate probably for a younger kid or somebody that's not looking to go that fast, but it's not going to give you wheelies. You throw in that 3S and it wakes it right up. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Next video, maybe we'll play with some of the gyro settings. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time. As always, appreciate you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.